You see this boy right here? He's gonna be freaking heartbroken, bud.
Devastated. I almost don't have the heart to tell him.
Can I get some help first? So we've done some thinking and soul searching and such like that, and we haven't told him yet. We're trading that off for him, but it's for the better.
I was a kid once. I know what I did with my first vehicles. Really, you get your first car, you're unsafe. And this thing doesn't have seat belts. There's really nothing to stop in case. And young people are they're prone to wrecks and things of that nature. That old motor in there, it's got some zip to it. I just don't think that such an unsafe car would be right for a young man to be going to high school in. That he doesn't have a job, so I'm the one that's footing the bill for the gas. Well, that's hard enough to keep gas in the old Buick for me. So we need something that will get more than 3 miles to the gallon. So we've been on Marketplace, and I think we found him something a little more economical. It's got safety features. It'll be something that'll be a little more comfortable for him. And it doesn't have a bench seat, so there's a little division between him and particular passengers because he's getting to that age too. Poor feller.
He's over here cleaning out this car like crazy.
Hey, Adam, right?
Merrick.
John.
Eric,
There we go. Yeah. I'm forgetful.
No, you're good.
So, you answered the post. 63 Oldsmobile Cooper 88. Got a 394 in it. I'll pop the hood so you can check it out. There ain't no latches inside. It's all out in the open. I love it.
Old school.
Yeah. So we started tearing into it a little bit. We've confirmed that it runs. I'm cheap, so I didn't buy a battery, so I just borrowed one. But I'm sure we can get something lined out. You got some nice bites. There's just a little bit of wiring that needs to be fixed. The headlight switch works because the tag light works, just nothing else.
No turn signals or nothing.
Yeah, none of that is functioning right now.
Oh, okay.
But when you tear into it, it will be. Like I said, it's out in the open. You can see it.
Yeah.
And they didn't tear into it terribly. So there's also a hole in the gas tank. So we've got a little gas can that we keep right here, and that's our gas tank.
Is that what that hose is for?
Yeah.
Down in the fuel?
Yeah, and you can put this on over the spout or the screws on,
Okay.
so it's sealed. So you can keep dust and dirt out. And we haven't tested the air conditioner, but the compressor makes compressor noises. So you might have air conditioning in this car when we get done with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's kind of odd to see an air compressor still on one, especially this old.
Oh yeah. And these are the same air conditioner compressors that like Kenworth have on, like the older Kenworth, the same style.
Okay.
So I mean, if anything, go to Kenworth with the the compressors, and you can probably get air conditioning.
Yeah, not rusted through too bad.
A couple spots, but I mean that's patchable. The chrome trim, like all the chrome, is in great shape for all the sitting it's done.
Yeah, it's
know,
not beat to hell.
And it's set out in the open, so all that hell that we had, 6 months ago?
Yeah.
There's no dents on this roof. This has all the potential in the world to be a really nice car when you get done. Do you know how to sew? We're going to need to have a little bit of patchwork done on the back seat. It's not going to be super bad. But yeah, if you could sew a little bit, that's all you need. And I'll throw in the glass cleaner and the ceramic coat and all that. That way, when you get done, you can kind of finish polishing it up.
I think it needs a little bit more than a polish. I don't.
Oh, we could probably polish it.
I mean, see, even like that little scuff, that's coming off. It's real easy. It's simple. You know, just a little spit. You can get it clean up real nice, I promise.
That's not what I was talking about.
Nowadays, everybody's going for the patina look. So people just put clear coat over this and just make it look shinier, but it's still got the rust. It's a whole trend in the car world. People will see this car patinaed and it'll turn heads.
It's a rusty rat nest. I don't.
No, these are going to be for the exhaust to come out. That way you can have exhaust tips coming out of the bumper. Right now there's offset tires. The back two are free. They were free because they've been sitting for several years. So you're probably going to want to get some tires at some point. They look nice and they hold air, and that's what we're really after. And then we'll have to find you some front tires. One of them is a spare for my car, and the driver's side is a spare for his pickup trailer.
Okay.
So we'll have to find you some different tires. But other than that, I mean,
Shouldn't be something too hard to find.
yeah,
Right?
yeah, and it's all long. You know, they're all 4 aired up,
Okay.
and you saw the stance. It's nice and even.
Yeah, it looks
It's
good.
not leaning. The car is fairly straight for the small amount of work we've done to it. He really likes this car. He doesn't want me to get rid of it.
Oh, okay.
I know you really like this car. But here's the thing. You don't have a job. And this is going to take a lot of money for gas. And there's no seat belts. And there's really nothing safety oriented. And I'm just concerned that for your first car, it's got a little too much power. And I know how young guys are when it comes to their first car and having too much power. I am trading it.
What?
Yeah, this is too much car for you. And so I've found some people that are interested in this and they want to trade straight across. And I think that the vehicle that they're trading is going to be a whole lot more safe and especially more gas economical, because I have to spend a lot of money to keep gas in the Buick, and to try and double up for 2 of these boats is going to put me in the poorhouse. So finish cleaning it. You'll see in a second. Just finish cleaning it up. They're ready to go. We're going to go get a battery so they can take it home. Yeah, like a slam like that.
Let's say I really like it. I think you could drive this daily with just a little bit of work. I think we can make it happen.
It's a pile of rust.
A
That
little
you're not
bit of
gonna
rust. It's got a little bit of rust, but nothing horrible. The floors are solid. The interior's decent. I mean, we can do something with it.
It looks like I'd have to Flintstone it.
Well, if the brakes quit working, good. I'll say, we can make this work. We got truck and trailer and all that. We can always have someone tow us if it breaks down. I mean, we'll have to work out the kinks. It's been sitting a while, but it's still a solid car and it runs good.
It's awful. And it smells like rats.
I'm going to do it. We're just going to do it. We're going to make it work.
If we're gonna do it, I guess a kid gets a reliable car.
Yeah, I mean, this could
But
be a
I'm not
death
thrilled.
trap for him, but we can make it work. And we can give him something dependable and something that's safe for him. All right. On agreement?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's do this. All right. I guess we're going to go ahead and give you the trade. I mean, as long as we're willing to do it. It's a safe car. It gets great gas mileage. All the safety features of modern day. And it's dependable. It really is.
I'm going to say he's down. Yeah.
Okay.
He did have a question.
Yeah.
The air freshener that goes with it, right? I mean, you're going to get the fuzzy dice. I'm going to relinquish the fuzzy dice, but I need that. We need to keep the pink air freshener.
Yeah, I think we could do that. We can make
Okay.
that happen.
Okay.
All right, man.
All right, give him the
Well,
keys.
Here's the title. And let me get the key out. There's the key. It's got one of them buttons that switches over.
All right, come here. Let's look.
Yeah.
And you've got the center console, so it keeps you and passengers split from each other. So that'll be nice. And you've got leg room in the back. And it'll be a whole lot easier to clean the black than the interior on that Oldsmobile. So, and I bet we can find a wing and some ground effects, and we can make this really cool. It'll be like European JDM. We can get some graphics. I bet we can find some sweet graphics for this thing. I know you're disappointed, but look at it this way. Nobody really remembers their first car anymore.